So Felicia, it's been 24 hours.
It has been.
And it's time for the moment of truth. We're going to wash this HTV vinyl to test the durability for the first wash.
We are.
Tell me what you're going to do here.
We're going to turn it inside out
Why?
because we want to try to protect that vinyl as best we can.
So it doesn't rub on anything?
We're going to only wash this with just that.
Okay.
Unless you want to wash it with some whites. You want to wash it with some whites?
That's probably a real world scenario, but let's do that the second time.
Okay.
What is that? That's not liquid.
It's laundry detergent.
Is
in
it
a sheet
mild?
form. It is.
All right, let's do it.
Ready? Let's do it. Throw it in there.
In what setting?
We're just going to do just a normal setting. And we'll do on cold.
Cold?
Tap cold.
Okay. So we'll let this run.
And we'll let this run.
Let's see what it looks like. You
We'll
gonna
do
put
it.
it in the dryer first?
We're going to put it in first.
I mean afterwards? After it's washed?
Yeah.
Before we
Yeah.
reveal?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Let's do it.
All right, so we finished our first wash. We'll take it out and see how it did before we put it in the dryer.
Looks like everything's still on there.
Looks like everything's still on there. Feels pretty good.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and turn it back inside out and put it in the dryer. And we're gonna air dry it.
Air dry? What's
Air
that?
dry setting.
All right. Second, third.
All right, let's see how it did. This is the air dry first time. Let's take a look.
Everything's still on there? Nothing peeled up?
Nothing is peeled up. Nope, nothing's peeling up yet.
Awesome.
Everything looks good.
All right.
All right, so we're going to wash it inside and out again, but this time we're going to do it with a load of towels, white towels.
Simulate a real world experience.
All right, so we're going to take another one of our detergent sheets, add it in there, put it back on normal cycle, on warm this time, and see how it goes.
Okay, I'm all about real world experiences, so I pulled it out here with the white towels, and it looked like it washed pretty good. It was buried all the way on the bottom, as crinkly and wrinkly as I don't know what. But everything looked like it was still on. It didn't go through real thoroughly, so I threw it in the dryer with the towels this time, still inside out, and I put it on a towel cycle, which is long and warm, because this is what you do in the real world. You're not going to wash your shirts individually. You're going to throw them in there with everything else. All right, so this was washed twice, once in cold.
Once in cold, tap cold, and then once in warm with towels.
All right, and what do we got? Hobby Lobby, any lift?
I feel no lift whatsoever.
Feels good.
Feels good.
Hobby Lobby pass. HTV Uh-oh.
Nope, just being critical, making sure. Nope,
Okay.
it feels the same.
HTV excellent.
Yep.
Okay. Michael's or market maker. What is it?
Make Market by
What
Michaels.
a weird name.
No, it feels good.
Good?
Yeah.
Tech Wrap. Now we have to disclose we made that
Made the
mistake on the bottom.
Right, but that's, we
So don't look at
disclosed
that.
it already.
This was on for 10 seconds, right?
This is only on for 10 seconds, and there is no lift. I'm playing with this one more because it only was on for 10
Yeah,
seconds.
that's weird, right?
It feels pretty good.
And finally, cricut.
Feels good. They all feel great.
Cricut reminds me of French fries for some reason. Cricut French fries. That
They
feels
feel
pretty good. They're all
They
good.
all feel good.
Really?
Really.
So if you had to pick a favorite, an industry leader, based on weeding, cutting,
Gosh, I don't know which
reliability,
one. I don't know.
hard to say.
Hard to say. Hard to say. These all pass the test. I think Michael's turned out really well. Hobby Lobby's is really well.
How about look at the squares? Which square looks like it has the best application?
HTV looks really good. All right, crickets, you can't see the material through it at all. And I know you probably can't get that on the camera.
Yeah, it's hard to see.
All right, so you can't see the material through this one at all. This one, you can see the material. You can see the grain.
I wonder how that does with wear, if you can
know.
see it or not.
This one, you can't see the material, the grain or anything. This one's, no, laying right on top there. And this one's perfect too. They all look really good. I think that you can't go wrong with any one of these.
All right. Well, good work, Felicia.
Thank you.
Thanks for taking your time to do this testing. It's very interesting.
Thanks, Tim.
Are we going to do more?
We're going to do more.
Yahoo! All right. Bye, Felicia.
And bye, Felicia.